Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a train, a steam train with passenger compartment. First, let's draw the railway, just straight lines. Then draw two small circles for the driver cab. Start with the steam engine and then the cab. Just go down and also the top of the cab. Now we're going to draw the door and also the window. And next, the chimney, because it's a steam engine, and the front of the train. The next, we're gonna start drawing the compartment. Draw two small circles for the wheels, connect them, and then draw rectangle or square for the compartment. Oh, my sketchbook is enough only for 2 compartments. You can always make more than 2. Now we're gonna make another compartment. And connect the compartment and the cab. Next, draw horizontal lines at the top. And another one. Now we're gonna draw the windows. I'm gonna draw 3 windows in each compartment. Let's put some details on the wheels. Then the smoke. This is how I draw the smoke, like clouds and another small one and a smaller one. Now it's done. We are ready to color. I'm coloring my train purple, orange, and green because I want it to be colorful. What about you? What colors are you going to use to color your train? And then for the window, light blue and also the details. For the railway is gray, also for the smokes and inside the wheels and the wheels black. Remember to always put away the color pencils or your crayons after coloring. It's done! It's really nice, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!